viewers, my name is Usman Mercy and welcome to my Health and I. And today with me in the studio is
Tabitha Daniel.
And today we are going to be discussing with you a very vital issue that so many people have been asking themselves, which is the causes of infertility in men. About 80% or 60% of men out there are facing or have infertility and they don't know the causes of it. But today we're going to be enlightening you more, or rather Mr. Tabitha is going to be enlightening you more on the causes of infertility in men. Now we're going to be going on a short break. Welcome back. Like I said before, we're going to be discussing on the causes of infertility in men. And Mr. Tabitha Daniel is going to be enlightening you more on the causes of infertility in men. So Mr. Tabitha, what do you understand by infertility?
Thank you very much. Infertility is an inability for a couple to produce after 1 year of unprotected and penetrative sexual intercourse. Due to my findings, 10% of couples have disharmony amongst themselves because of lack of conception among them.
Now, what are the causes of infertility in men?
Okay, thank you very much. I think there are various causes of infertility in men, which I think one of them is infection. Infection can be gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is a very dangerous disease that affects the male.
Yeah.
Because when you have gonorrhea, you cannot be able to produce. Your sperm will not be able to hit the uterus of a woman. So it's another factor that affects infertility in male. Another factor is genetic factor. Genetic factor can be you inheriting it from your father. Your father can have infertility, and it can be from your grandparents. It's genetic. That's why you inherit it. You can inherit it from your father, which can lead to small testicles. Your testicles will not be able to produce. Another causes of infertility in male is medical conditions. Medical conditions can be diabetes, cancer, and so on. But cancer and diabetes are medical factors that affect infertility in men. Another cause is acquired. It can be acquired. Like for example, when a man gets into have an accident, it can cause maybe breakdown of his testicles. You see, that's another reason why he cannot be able to produce. Another factor that causes infertility in men is medical therapy. When there are times that when you have cancer, you go for therapies. Not only cancer, when you have some diseases that you need to have therapies on and on, it can cause infertility in men.
So let's hear from you, Mr. Tabitha. What are the treatments or the cure of infertility in men?
I think the best thing to do as a male, before even venturing into get married to a woman of your dream, you have to go into infertility tests, because there is infertility test. You can go for a consultation in the hospital where you have to go to consult the doctors, the personnel who are best into infertility tests. Then you find out if you are fertile or not. I think that's the best way for you to handle infertility in male.
So you've heard what Mrs. Tabitha have said on the causes and the treatment of infertility in men. And if you're a man, you're out there and you're suffering from infertility and you don't know the remedy, you should watch this video to get some vital information on infertility. Follow me next time on same station on my Health and I as I bring you more important tips on healthy matters and healthy issues. So Mr. Tabitha, thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
Love to see you next time.
Thank you.
I remain Usman Mercy and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.